Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here, and in today's natural disaster preparedness video, we're going to talk about wildfires. Wildfires seem to be breaking out all over, from Northern California to Western and Central Canada, to Europe, and even in Australia. Wildfires can break out anywhere. Recent wildfires have devastated communities and uprooted countless families. And wildfires can happen virtually anywhere. With global warming, well, I don't know if it's really global warming or not, but there's definitely climate change happening. Heat records are being broken all over the place. So our forests are tinder dry for the most part. So wildfires can happen virtually anywhere, requiring residents to evacuate and run for their lives with little warning. Everyone should therefore be prepared to evacuate at a moment's notice. This is much easier if you have certain items already packed and ready to go, packed in a suitcase or a tote or backpack, and located in a closet at the main entrance of your home. Ideally, most items would be packed and ready to go, but certain items need to be picked up at the very last minute. Items like prescriptions and other daily needs will need to be grabbed quickly as you head out the door. It's a good idea to tape a list like this on the inside of your closet door, so when you're grabbing your bag, you can instantly take a look and see the things that you have to put into the bag. Items like baby supplies, diapers, formula, wet wipes, pacifier, small toys, and some trash bags. Other special needs, like reading glasses, small toys or books for children to keep them occupied, they need to go in there too. Evacuation centers, or houses of your friends and relatives outside of the evacuation zone, will have things like electricity, water, blankets, food, so you don't really need to bring those kinds of items with you. All you really need are small items for the trip and your special need items. Now once you arrive and you're out of harm's way, make every effort to contact your friends and relatives who may be worrying about you, because they'll certainly be watching the news and be aware of the situation in your hometown. Now some important tips are: 1. You should always drive with at least half a tank of gas in your car. The last thing you want to do when you're told to evacuate is to sit in line at a gas station waiting to fill up. That would create unnecessary delays in getting to safety. Another tip would be that some of these items could already be packed in the trunk of your car as a car emergency kit. You know, things like emergency blankets, flashlights, that sort of thing. And of course, it's a good idea to put that grab and go checklist on the inside of the closet door of your main entrance to remind you of the things that you need to grab before you head out. Now I've got a sample grab and go kit here with me, and I just want to show you what's inside it. Now in this pocket, I've got some passports and other important documents in a zip-loc bag. I also have some medications, extra house and car keys, and in this pouch, got a first aid kit, reading glasses, cell phone charger, some reading material, deck of cards to pass the time, notepad and pen, more reading material, and in this larger main pouch I've got snacks for the trip that I picked up at the last moment, some water, A couple of emergency blankets. I always pack emergency blankets because you never know when you're going to need them. Pair of work gloves. Some tissues. Candy and gum. Crank radio. So it's a radio, but it's also got other features such as a crank and solar charger to charge your cell phone and other electronic devices. A multi-tool, they're always handy. And a couple of flashlights. And some spare batteries for the flashlight. So I'll put a list of all of these items down below in the description, as well as a couple of links that you can click on to get more information on disaster preparedness. So put your plan together, assemble your kit, and make sure everyone in the family knows the plan. So good luck, God bless, and help your neighbors if you're able. This is Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.